First, I'm going to be spraying my hands with isopropyl alcohol. That's me showing you that it is being dried since I took my hands out of the hood. And now I'm wiping down everything that is going into the hood, trying to place them 6 inches in. So since I've been taking my hand out and back in, I should have sprayed my hands each time I put them back into the hood. I place each object about 3 inches or so away from each other, and I made sure not to put anything in front of another object so it doesn't block any first air. I discard each paper. Now I just sprayed my hands once again with the alcohol. Right now I'm making sure that my head does not go into the hood and that my hands stay inside, waiting for them to dry. So first I'm taking the alcohol wipes. I'm going to be wiping down where the needle will be injected into the PDSN. I wipe it down 3 times towards myself, and as I do the same for the water and the sodium chloride for injection. So you can see 3 times towards myself. I'm just wiping the needle down and taking out, I'm attaching the needle to the syringe, making sure that's stable. Then I'm removing the cap and making sure that it's in a location that I can put the needle back in when I'm finished, so there's no sticking. So I added 5 milliliters of air into the syringe, and I'm trying to withdraw while stabilizing the pressure. You're supposed to push air in and let the water out, but at this time I think my issue was that I didn't have enough water in the vial because of the practice, and the water started coming out, and I think that's also because of the pressure, as well as I had another puncture in there before, and I didn't puncture this time in the same place as I did before, so water started coming out. It was a little bit difficult for me to get all the water in. I do have some bubbles at this point, so I will be trying to hit them at right there. I believe that my placement of my hand kind of blocked the first air. I think I was doing too many movements, which you should really be keeping it minimal. Here I'm just trying to remove the air bubbles. Still just flicking the syringe so I can get the air bubbles out. In all reality, at this point, I should have gotten a different a water vial, and then I would have been able to use that. Just puncturing the PDSN and adding some water in, then letting air come out. So we're normalizing that pressure and doing this continuously. Okay, I just tried mixing it a little bit. Okay, and now I am attempting to pull the the solution in. I think this was also difficult for me because of the lack of, I didn't have the exact amount of water that was needed. We needed to have 5 milliliters, but I had a bit under that because I did not have enough water in my vial. So it just proved to be a little bit difficult. Just trying to get the air bubbles out and tapping the vial as well as the syringe. Just trying to my best to get the exact amount that was needed. I just sped this video up so it was a little bit easier to watch. Now just inserting the syringe, needle, placing it in, and then I push the BDSM in, take the needle out, make sure that first air isn't blocked. I cap the needle using the one-hand technique, twist it off, and then I'm going to be throwing it away into the sharps container. I pick up my other trash and we'll be throwing that away in the bin, the alcohol wipes, and the vials and syringes go elsewhere. I just showed this, there's no particles, and it is a yellow color. Thank you.